Hello friends, welcome to Omega Wisdom. Today we are going to read this palm and uncover the secrets hidden in these lines. Let's begin. This palm looks balanced, with long fingers showing intelligence and a wide palm showing hard work and determination. Such a hand belongs to someone practical, ambitious and creative. Red line indicates heart line. The heart line is long and clear. This indicates a kind-hearted and sincere person. They value emotions, honesty and loyalty in relationships. Love life will remain stable and fulfilling. Show blue line indicates headline. The headline is straight and deep. This means clear thinking, strong logic and wise decision-making. Such people are good planners, practical in life and capable of achieving their goals step by step. Green line lifeline. The lifeline is bold and smooth, curving around the base of the thumb. This shows vitality, good health, and a long life. Though there may be a few ups and downs, overall energy remains strong. White line indicates fate line. The fate line is slightly visible, which means success may come slowly but steadily. At the beginning, extra effort is needed, but later in life destiny brings growth and stability. Show orange circle mount of moon. Here we see the mount of moon at the base of the palm. It is well developed, which shows creativity, imagination, and artistic talent. Such people can shine in writing, teaching, or inspiring others. So friends, conclusion of this palm tells us about a life full of determination, creativity and stable relationships. Hard work will bring success, and imagination will make the journey unique. Truly a wonderful palm. If you enjoyed this palm reading, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.